Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. Today I have my January beauty empties for you guys. Now I can say this, these empties are not just from January, they are from December as well. It takes me a while to get through a lot of beauty products, so I will only be filming these videos when I get my bin filled up. If you're curious, my bin is from 31. I don't really have a sales representative that I go through, so I will not be linking anyone below. But if you Google, you can definitely find a sales rep and figure out where to get these bins from. But I absolutely love it. So let me jump in and get started. The first item I have here is the Victoria's Secret Tease Bath Bomb set. This had 6 little bath bombs in it. It was originally $25. I ended up picking it up during one of the semi-annual sales a few years back. I have like 6 or 7 containers of these. I'm really trying to get through them. Personally, I don't like them anymore because I feel like they don't give off a whole lot of scent. You have to use about 3 of them per bath and that kind of stuff. So a lot of times my daughter is using these instead of me. The next item I have here is the TG S Factor True Lasting Color Conditioner. I ended up picking this up at Ulta. It was originally $29.99. They had it on clearance for $14.97. Then they had their big clearance sale and I walked out paying about $3. TG S Factor is hands down my favorite hair care brand. You guys will see tons and tons of future empties to come from them. I use a lot of shampoo and conditioner throughout the months and that kind of stuff. So mainly when it comes to empties, you guys are going to be seeing a lot of shampoo and conditioner. So like I said, that's the TG S Factor True Lasting Color Conditioner. Then I have here the Vagisil Sensitive Scents Daily Intimate Wash in Peach Blossom. I'm very picky about what kind of soap I use on my lady bits. I use only something that is, let's see, what's it called? They usually have the name of it on here. There we go. It's pH Balance. I only use pH Balanced washes because Bath & Body Works soaps and that tend to end up making me itch. Honestly, when it comes to the Vagisil Peach Blossom, I was not crazy about this fragrance. I would not repurchase it. It smelled really good in store. Yeah, it smelled good upon using it and that kind of stuff, but did it smell like a peach blossom? No, it wasn't flowery. It wasn't cutesy. It kind of smelled medicinal. A clean medicinal, but just not something that I really enjoyed smelling like. The next item I have here is the It's a 10 Miracle Whipped Shampoo that is sulfate free. I ended up picking these up on clearance at Cosmoprof. I think I got them for about $6 each. I really do enjoy the It's a 10 product line, but when it came to the Miracle Whipped Shampoo and a lot of their shampoos, I don't like them because they just do not lather well. And also I just didn't like the fragrance of this one. This one honestly smelled like just Dove bar soap. And I mean, if you're buying higher end hair care, you definitely expect it to have a really nice fragrance, whether it be something fruity or something floral. Wasn't crazy about this. I have 2 more bottles and I'm actually going to pass them on to a friend and not even use them because I did not like this product. I have a Bath & Body Works hand soap here, and this is Afternoon Apple Picking. This is the Nourishing Hand Soap with Shea Extract from Bath & Body Works. And the scent on this one says Crisp Apple, Succulent Pear, and Cinnamon. I really enjoyed this. This was a nice fresh apple scent. You could definitely keep this out year round. It doesn't scream fall because it is that fresh apple scent. Can't go wrong with that fragrance. Once again, another feminine wash. This is the one that I actually prefer. This is the Summer's Eve Island Splash. I really enjoy the scent on this one. This is also pH balanced. So the reason why I have 2 of these is one was from December, one was from January. I do go through about a bottle of this each month. I have a bath bomb from Basin, and this was actually from our trip to Florida. This was, I believe, the Mickey scent. And if you are actually looking for this bath bomb fragrance online, I believe I was told that this was the stress relief scent. And oh, I love this scent. Basin's a little up there. They're about lush prices for bath bombs. But anymore, I'm just really not enjoying bath bombs. So chances are I won't be repurchasing it because bath bombs just really are not my thing anymore. So I have a couple things of deodorant here. The first one is the Secret Clear Gel. This is the Scent Expressions and Passion de Tango. This was a really nice citrus scent, like a peachy scent, mango scent. Really like this. What I like about these Secret Scent Expressions is they do last a while when you're using them. Like I could smell it the next day when I go to reapply and that kind of stuff. So really enjoy that. I tend to use a lot of deodorant. You're gonna see that too because I end up keeping like 3 or 4 open tubes out on my dresser at a time, usually different fragrances. Like I really love the Dove Fresh. That's hands down my favorite. I've been using that for multiple years. So usually I have multiples out. So some months you'll see where I use a lot of deodorants up and then you'll see where I barely use any up, and it's because I keep multiple tubes open. One product that I don't have here that I did finish up was the Bath & Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom Cream, and the reason why I don't have it here is because right as I was getting to the end of the tube, the last application, the shea in it ended up balling up on my skin and it was totally nasty. I ended up taking pictures to send into Bath & Body Works on Facebook, and we were talking about it, and they're like, take it back and return it. I'm like, it's the last application. I'm getting ready to toss it anyways. But they're like, no, we have a 100% money back guarantee. Take it in. Go get a new one. So I took it in, and I ended up getting a new one. Next item I have here is once again another S Factor product. Like I said, I absolutely love the TG S Factor. This is the True Lasting Color Conditioner. Once again, I use a lot of conditioner because as you can tell, I have a lot of hair. This is all me, no extensions. If I had extensions, I'd probably have volume to it. So all me, lots of hair, lots of conditioner. Love that. I have, hopefully these products don't go falling because I'm setting them down next to me, the Bath & Body Works White Cosmic Cream. When this first came out, I loved this fragrance, and I think that I wore it to death to where I don't enjoy it anymore. My husband loves this fragrance on me. This is a very strong musky scent. The scent description says harmonious, ethereal, sheer, graceful, and radiant. This nourishing lightweight gel lotion with aloe leaf skin feeling and looking soft. I absolutely love the texture of this compared to the body creams. This is thinner, it applies nicer. Just really tired of the fragrance. I got a couple more of these, so chances are you'll see them sooner or later coming out. Guess what? Another S Factor product. This is the S Factor Health Factor Shampoo and Conditioner. I love that this one smells like guava. This literally almost smells like the Victoria's Secret Love Spell. I got my friend Brandy turned on to this. We were out shopping. She picked it up. She actually tried it before me because I'm like, oh, I keep coming in. I keep smelling this shampoo. She ended up buying it. She ended up paying near full price for it. Anymore, I pick it up in TJ Maxx because you can get these big bottles for like $7.99 or $9.99. And when they have them, I stock up because this is pretty much the only shampoo and conditioner that I use. If you see something else, it's chances something that I had on hand that was part of my stockpile from couponing. Like the Herbal Essence Color Me Happy. This is the Color Me Happy from Herbal Essence. I love this. This smells like the original Herbal Essence scent that came out in the mid to late 90s. So if you're familiar with it, definitely check out the Color Me Happy. This is like hands down the best scent from the Herbal Essence line. Absolutely love that. I have a bottle of Polish Remover Acetone. This was from Cosmoprof. I really wasn't too keen on this brand. Usually I do dip acrylic on my nails. I don't have my nails done right now because I'm waiting on a subscription bag to come in. Not the best formula of acetone. Wouldn't repurchase this. I tend to like the Soak Off brand. So yeah, no on this one. We got some more deodorant here. We have another Scent Expressions Passion Tango. These are gels, so that's why I go through them relatively quickly. I go through gels faster than I go through a solid because I feel like gels, you don't get nearly as much product in them, and I tend to apply them heavier than a solid. This is a solid in the Passion Tango once again. So yeah, 3 deodorants in the last 2 months. A lot of them were close to the end and that kind of stuff. Clearly, I like the Passion de Tango scent, but like I said, when it comes to my favorite deodorant, I really love the Dove Fresh fragrance. This is a close second. I got some Lady Speed Stick, I think, hanging around my dresser in a purple tube right now. Not crazy about that. Can't wait to get that one done and gone with. So we have a Bath & Body Works shower gel here. This is an Endless Weekend. This is one of my favorite Bath & Body Works fragrances. It was discontinued in store. You can find it on the Bath & Body Works website. You can find it in the Bath & Body Works outlet. The fragrance is, let's see here, bursting with fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, and raspberry lychee sorbet. This fragrance is finished with a breeze of blue coconut, water, and vanilla sandalwood. So love this fragrance. This is a staple. I have a few backups of it. Perfect summertime fragrance, or just perfect fragrance when you need a pick-me-up in the winter time. So two more Empties here. Both are Bath & Body Works. One is the Bath & Body Works Sweet Summer Kiss. This came back for semi-annual sale. People were hauling this. It's nice, but it's just not my favorite. Does it have a scent description on it? It doesn't have a scent description on this little bottle, so not bad and that kind of stuff. I'm pretty sure I got this with a free coupon that they send in the mailers. I like these little size lotions. They're perfect for in the car, perfect for in my purse, and so forth. So the next shower gel I have here is the Bath & Body Works Pink Magnolia Shower Gel. My husband picked this up for me when we were dating. He ended up going to Bath & Body Works and he surprised me with a big bag of Bath & Body Works. It was before I came back to doing videos, and I really wish I would have did it to show you guys, because he did a really good job picking stuff out. Now, none of it matched. He didn't get like lotions to match shower gels. He's a man. He don't know about any of that stuff. But the thought that he went to Bath & Body Works and picked stuff out for me was pretty awesome. So the scent fragrance on this one is steam distilled natural magnolia oil, jasmine petals, wild orchid, and sheer musk. So this is a musky floral. Absolutely love this. This is more of a mature, more of a grown woman scent. I really like it because it complements perfumes very well if you're layering with it. So nice fragrance. If it comes back for a future semi-annual sale, I'd probably consider picking it up again. So that is all of my January 2019 beauty empties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Bye, everyone.